up, guys? We are back. Halfway Kicks here. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment, and also follow our Instagram, halfway_kicks. My name is Bendo.
And I'm AJ, and we are back. Oh, Drew, say hi.
Oh, hello, Drew.
Hey, what up?
He's here. He said, what up?
You don't have to, like...
Anyways.
We're finally back. We took a little break.
Why?
Why? Because you see this really nice background that Bendo put together.
From scratch.
From scratch.
From scratch.
He molded this himself.
Did I mold it?
No, he bought this from...
we bought it.
Where'd you get it from? Home Depot?
Home Depot.
We got this new studio, and we're back. We took a little break. We had a lot of videos that we were pumping out, and I think it was just catching up to us. So we took a little break, and now we're back.
Hello, refresher is good.
Yeah,
we
man.
got a couple things to show you. We are gonna start with... What are we gonna start with? Because this is your real W.
We got some Jordan 2's that just released today. You're probably not going to see this video for a few days, but it just released today. These are the Air Jordan 2. Drew?
Maison Chateau Rouge.
Rouge. And you got them from Undefeated.
Undefeated.
And we got how many per?
2 per.
Hey.
Wow.
So, funny story. Well, not really that funny, but I hit on the raffle for these. It was an in-store raffle. And we were talking, remember we were talking as in our chat that it was an in-store raffle. So I actually went to the store. They don't open till 11. And the guy goes, no, we don't do in-store raffles anymore. And I was like, oh shit.
So you was actually in the store for the raffle, even though it was the IG online.
All I had to do was read the instructions on IG. Anyways, so luckily I hit on this and went there to pick up my shoes, and I kind of lingered around because I was just shopping, and the guy said, hey, do you want to take a second pair? So luckily they had an extra, a size 11, even though it's a little tight for you, I think.
It'd be a little tight. I just gotta wear thin socks.
But I know how much he likes the 2's, so we got him a pair too. So that's why you see 2 bags from Undefeated here today.
Today. What is today? What is the date?
Friday.
Friday?
The 24th.
June 24th.
The 24th.
Let's open up these bad boys. I haven't seen them
let's
yet.
Take them out. Oh, that's upside down.
These are... Well, you guys know how much we like the box, right?
Yeah, the box is...
The box has a little character to it. Jordan 2 wing logos. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And have whatever this material is right here. I mean, whatever the design is right
It's
here.
like textured.
Textured
They
something.
look like candy canes.
Candy cane, okay.
But they're probably not.
But
Yeah,
anyway.
not sure what that is, but nice nonetheless.
What does this say right here? United Youth International. Right?
Yes, sir.
What's the other bar?
Chicago, Dakar, Paris.
Paris.
So,
Wait, is this from Paris?
well, the designer is from a boutique in Paris.
Oh, okay.
So that's where the collab came from. This is their second
What's the first one?
collab.
It's a Jordan 1 mid.
Jordan 1 mid.
That's
Came out
probably why nobody really
2019.
knows about it, because nobody really wears the mid.
I mean, it's just not for me. It might be for y'all's,
Wear
but
what you like.
Wear what you
wear
like.
what you
yeah.
like. Let's open these up.
All right, let's check it out. First of all, I really like this detail. I mean, it is your traditional type of AJ2 box, but
Yeah, I
a
think
little bit of
the off-white we had was like clear, and it kind of same with the little wings on the side right here, right?
yeah, but this yellow and white's giving it more of a
Razzle dazzle. Razzle dazzle's back, folks.
the razzle dazzle's back. Actually, our studio is now razzle dazzle.
Yeah, that's true.
So let's open it up.
Let's do this. Oh,
Well, my paper's stuck to the lid, but
well, here you go. What does this say?
what does it say? I can't read mine.
Maison Chateau Rouge with a little ring right here.
So this is the store.
This is a store.
This is
in
the store.
Paris.
Paris.
All right. Oh my goodness.
That's oh, you already did a
Oh
little
my
peekaboo.
goodness.
Here we go. Ooh.
Now these are actually the 2's I was most excited for. Of all the 2's that have been releasing, this one was the most anticipated for me.
For you? Tell me why. Tell me more.
I just like the colors. I feel like it's a great summer shoe.
Great summer
I feel
shoe,
like
huh?
you might have something in your wardrobe to match it.
I mean, I think
I feel like
Even
you...
the hats? You might just put
Oh
those
my-
on feet.
You know, a lot of people don't know, but I might be a Cleveland Browns fan, and this is giving me Cleveland Brown vibes.
That is probably why, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
That is probably why. Hold on.
I mean, look at the sole. Oh! Oh! Now, the materials on this shoe are high quality. It feels very high quality.
Dude, the next time I see AJ in these, I swear to God, he's gonna have a Browns jersey with one of these laces on there, because it came with 3.
I mean,
The regular cream with the orange stitching in the middle, and you have brown, orange, and yellow laces.
damn, it came with 4
Damn,
different
4
laces.
laces.
I mean, it was more than your traditional AJ2 retail price, so I'm glad they put extra laces in there.
Let's talk about retail price.
Retail
$225.
price, $225, $246 after tax.
It's the Jordan 2's is nice. I like the Jordan 2's, but I feel like this is a little overpriced.
Overpriced.
At $245.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of details, but I don't think it justifies paying $240 plus on some Jordan 2's.
Yeah,
Right.
that's true. I mean, this extra stitching alone is pretty. I mean, there's a lot of extra stitching
Yeah.
if you think about it. Look at this. Oh,
Yeah, that's
oh,
that's
oh.
kind of fire, huh?
So, I mean, yeah, you might be right. I mean, I think I would have been happier if I paid the normal retail price.
Which
But-
should be like $190 at least.
Yeah.
But inflation, everything's up. Jordan brand, even though you got a lot of money already, it's still going up.
How much are A Ma Maniere collabs for the 2's?
$220 plus.
Okay, so about the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the Jordan 1's is already $190, so everything is already going up. But these
Yesterday's
are,
price.
isn't today's
Price.
price.
Today's price.
But the shoe, man, the shoe is
Fire.
detailed. You got the, like Drew says, you got the candy cane on the midfoot right here, and I feel like on the toe box in the area right there is suppled leather.
Suppled leather.
Supple.
Is that what it is?
Feels like it. Look at it.
It feels
They
very
feel
supple.
nice.
I mean, I know supple. That's supple.
You got a little suede.
They got the little detailing around the.
Yeah, I
upper.
like the little teeth right here.
That's like some dress shoes.
Dude, that's
No,
no, you're right. Oh, you
get
mean right
it?
here, right?
Well, that and the little teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, these holes here.
Yeah.
They're giving me
Broke.
no, what is it called?
That's what they.
No, it's
Broke vibes.
what is it?
Perforated.
Brogue shoes.
Rogue.
That's what it's called. I swear. I just looked. at
Okay, well,
We don't know
holes,
what we're talking about, but we are talking about it anyway.
the holes look good.
The holes look good.
Holes.
it. It's like this. Like this.
What is that?
Brogues.
No, that's what they're
Oh.
called, bros.
Yeah.
I thought they were wingtips.
Oh,
Is that what you're talking about?
yeah.
Wingtips?
Yeah,
Wingtips,
wingtips.
too.
Huh.
Watch Google
But yeah,
wingtips.
see, look. Brogues.
Search wingtips.
They're the same.
Maybe wingtip is like the American version of
yeah,
it,
that's what I'm thinking.
and brogues is like
English. Because it's from, what's
Yeah.
that movie?
Rogue One. Sorry.
Is that Star
Where's
Wars?
the spy movie?
Huh?
Kingsman.
Oh, I've never seen that.
Oh, what?
You never seen a Kingsman movie? There's a Gun of Fire. I haven't seen the last.
Okay.
What is it? The third
But
one?
yeah, it's
I'll have to
yeah,
look.
I haven't seen that last one.
But I do like. I thought you were talking about this detail. I like this detail.
Well, I think it's both.
the little. Oh, okay.
But yeah, go ahead.
They look like
Teeth.
almost like teeth.
Yeah.
And,
And look at the sole too. It has the speckled.
oh yeah.
It's
The splatter.
a splattered.
Freckles, if you will.
Freckles.
Freckles, if you will.
It's almost a freckle color too.
Yeah.
But
It's fire.
these are a great summer shoe, man.
You know what's funny? I know they have nothing to do with baseball, but they give me baseball vibes.
Oh yeah. The
They do.
stitching on the
Yeah.
heel,
Stitching right here. It's almost like the baseball
even
ball.
on the top, on the tongue.
Yeah, right here.
Yep. I like how they do the tongue.
And I like
It's
this.
not, it's different.
I don't know what material. Do you know what material that is?
It's like mesh material.
Whatever
Yeah,
it is, it's pretty good quality. Like you're not gonna have to worry about that getting
It's
dirty.
like a satin.
I don't know.
I
It's
know
like
it's satin, but
it feels
You got the
very
brown
durable.
line. Linings.
yeah.
This is pretty cool. I haven't seen the insole. Let's go look at the insole.
Let's look at the insole.
Because
Oh, you take yours.
this has a this has a lot of detail on the shoe, so I'm sure the insole is gonna have something. My bad, sorry. I can't take it out, but it's Jordan's face on there,
Dang.
like the paper.
Let me see. Oh yeah, so it's like
Oh.
like this,
But
kind of like this, right here.
that's
See
it.
that?
That's it. What's the other insole?
Oh, they
Yeah.
carried the teeth all the way to the back.
Man,
I don't know why I put his down.
there is a lot of detail in this shoe.
That suede on the heel isn't usually there on the.
Drew's not gonna like that.
Drew's not gonna like this.
You don't like loose
That
laces.
suede on the heel. That's not usually on the twos, right? That
Which
extra
one?
panel. The
This
gray
this
panel?
is it. Scale of 1 to 10. What are you feeling on these?
Scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give these an 8. Just
That's exactly what I was gonna do.
oh,
Yeah, 8.
just cause I don't have a reason why I'm gonna give these an 8. Just cause you can always improve on something. I just don't know what I could say that it'll improve on these ones, right?
I think they're an 8 because even though they're really nice, I think the A Ma Maniere 2's are still nicer.
Oh,
You think so?
Yeah.
I do like the materials on the.
I'm on there.
These feel like a really nice like day sneaker. The A Ma Maniere feels like such like high quality
That you could wear.
that you could wear it
You can wear
out
it at
at
night.
night. Yeah, and
To
feel-
dinner.
Yeah, and still feel like expensive.
Yeah.
Or, you know. I don't know.
Because lighter shoes, you don't really lighter shoes is like a daytime more of a shoe, you know.
Yeah.
But these still are a nice ass shoe though.
This is a nice shoe to, go have some brunch.
Brunch. It is summertime.
Hey, shorts,
Ooh.
high socks.
With a Browns
White
jersey.
socks.
Maybe.
He's definitely wearing a Browns jersey.
Depends on the record. Nah.
It depends on the record. But yeah, man. So here you are.
Wait, we didn't get Drew. Drew, what do you think?
Oh,
What's your
my bad.
I say an 8 as well. I like those not as much as same.
Not as much as the A Ma Maniere
Yeah.
2's.
But it's
Would you
a great
rock these?
Summer shoe. I would. I believe so.
I believe so.
All right. Well, comment down below if you would wear these.
Comment down below if you won because I did it. The
Technically,
homie hooked it up.
you technically won.
But yeah, here you are. Maison Chateau Rouge Jordan 2 collab.
Comment down below if you like the
The
new
background.
studio, or if you want us to go back to the other one. Even though we won't, because it was a lot of work to do this for him.
And we are coming with some heat.
I think we're going to be posting a lot more videos soon. So stay tuned. Check us out on IG, halfway_kicks. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so you know when we post the next video. And I think that's it.
That is it.
We out. Look at us.
Nice.
Look at God. Now that the camera's closer.
Look it up.
Hit the remote. Hit the remote. Hit the record. Have they been giving you the back? Right?
So a little refresher. It's always good
Yeah.
for the mind.
What voice was that?
I'm Batman, dude.
It has been a minute.
There you go.